Hi everybody, this is William Siong. I am a learning guide for restarting adults or beginners who are between the age of 40 plus until 65. Reason is because most of these people, they are already in a very senior position, whether is it regarding the jobs that they have been working on, or maybe they are already semi-retired, or to be frank, they are forced retired. Okay, because today's technology has caused many people to lose their job, and some of these people, they want to go back to their workforce or job economy, so they need to learn something about AI. Of course, not in a very technical aspect of it. So I created this courses called AI Starter Journey. But before we begin learning about AI, I want to say something very important first. Okay, you do not need to understand everything about AI right now. You do not need to memorize technical words or terminology and things like that. And you definitely do not need to become a programmer or technology expert to start using AI in your daily life. Okay, today many people feel overwhelmed when they hear words like AI, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, AI agent, automation, large language models or LLM, tokens, APIs. It can feel like everybody else understands this except me, right? But honestly, most beginners feel exactly the same way, and that is okay. The internet today is full of people showing you complicated system, using big technical words, creating fear that if you don't do this, do that, you will lose your job, and things like that. Or making AI sounds difficult and stressful. Some even make people feel if you don't master AI immediately, you will be left behind forever. But for this journey, I want you to do something different. For now, let's put all those complicated words aside just for now. Okay? This course is not about becoming an AI expert overnight. This is simply the basic of the basic. Okay, that's like the kindergarten of all your education. Okay, to put it very bluntly, treat you like a 6-year-old child, and that's where your foundation should be. Okay, a calm starting point, a safe place to slowly understand what AI is or how people are using it, and most importantly, how you can begin using it comfortably at your own pace. Okay, think of AI like this. AI is not magic. AI is not a monster. AI is not here to replace your humanity. For now, think of AI as a helper, somebody who is out to help you, an assistant, or a conversation partner. That means to say that you want to talk to somebody, and then you are worried about whether this person will reject your opinion or not, or your idea and things like that. But AI will never do this kind of thing. Okay, it will just listen to you, and then it will reply to you. Something that can support you. Okay, this is a tool that can support you in whatever thing you do. That's all. Okay, you do not need to know everything before starting. In fact, many people learn better after they become comfortable using it. Okay, just like using your smartphone for the first time, sending your WhatsApp messages, or learning Facebook years ago on how to social mediaing with your outside world, you know, that kind of thing. Most people did not study the technical detail first. Okay, they learn by slowly using it. AI can be approached the same way, meaning to say that when you first want to learn how to drive a car, do you bother to understand the whole mechanics of your car? What the engine can do, okay, what the wheel system can do, what the steering system can do? You don't bother about that, right? You just walk to a so-called driving school, and the instructor just teach you how to start the engine, engage your first gear, and start to control your pedal. Those are the day without the automatic, and then your vehicle start to move, and from there, how are you going to continue to ensure the momentum is smooth and things like that, until ultimately after a few sessions you know how to drive the car, even though you don't know how to change the tire, you do not know how to repair maybe maybe or fill up the engine oil compartment or things like that, right? Similarly, learn to use AI in that manner. Just embrace it first, then worry about the technicalities later on. So in this journey, which is the AI starter journey, we will slowly go through the training, which I break into 7 days. Okay, very simple. Anyone can go through this training. No pressure, no competition, no need to rush. If something feel confusing, that's very normal. Okay, if you need to repeat something, that's normal too. All you need to do is follow the instruction of the daily training. And remember, learning is not a race. Okay, my goal for you is very simple. By the end of this journey, I want you to feel less afraid of AI, or less afraid of the tools for that matter. They call it the LLM tools, the AI assistant, or things like that. And what are the common one? They are the Chat GPT, the Claude AI, the Gemini, okay? And there are many others LLM around that you might feel comfortable to you or not. That is later on. Most important is I want you to feel more comfortable asking questions. If you don't ask, you will never learn. Okay, as simple as that. From day one, I know when I was young, anything I'm unsure, I ask and ask until the teacher or the trainer has got no choice but to give you a full explanation of it. And if you're still not satisfied, ask another smarter person or ask the computer. Okay, during our days there's no computer, but today you have the search engine, you have the YouTube platform, you even have your LLM, which is the whole world library at your fingertip. So you should have all the answer you want. Most importantly, I want you to feel more confident exploring this technology step by step. Okay, that already is a very big achievement. So before we begin, let's take a deep breath and then look forward to the first day training. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.